Hello children, today we will know about the parts of speech. Parts of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. It explains how the word is used. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let's start from noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal and things, and of our feelings also. Here Anita is the name of a person. Forest is the name of a place. Elephant is the name of an animal. And phone is the name of a thing. So they all are nouns. It means noun is the name of a person, place, animal, things and of our feelings. There are 5 kinds of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. We will learn all about the noun in one video. So please watch the video till end. Proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing to which give a unique identity, and the proper noun always begins with capital letter. For example, Ram. Here Ram, Sita, Rakesh, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, tiger, parrot, link, all are started with capital letter. And Ram, Sita, Rakesh, they are particular name of person, so they are proper noun. Mumbai and Ahmedabad, the name of a particular place, so it is also proper noun. Tiger is the particular name of an animal. Parrot is the particular name of a bird. And link is the particular name of a pen. So they all are proper noun. Whereas common noun is the name of persons, place, animal or thing of the same kind or class. And common noun do not begins with capital letter. Here are few examples. Main. When we say main, it shows all the mains are same class, so it is common noun. When we say girl, girl is not the particular name of a girl. It shows a class, so it is common noun. Boy, boy also shows a class or the same kind of boy, not a particular name. Table, table is also a general name given to the table, not a particular name. City, city is also a general name, not a particular name, so it is also common noun. Now we will know about the difference between the proper noun and common noun. Here are few examples. Car. When we say car, car shows the same kind or class of all cars. It is given a general name to car, so it is common noun. But when we say Audi, Audi is the particular name of a car, so it is proper noun. Country. When we say country, there are so many countries in the world, and it of the same class, it shows the same class or kind. Country is given a general name, so it is common noun. But when we say about a particular name of a country like England or India, it will be proper noun. Singer. Singer shows the same class of singers. It is given a general name. But when When we say Justin, Justin is a particular name of a person. So it is proper noun. Drink. There are so many kinds of drinks, but when we say drink, it is a general name. And Pepsi. Pepsi is given a particular name to a drink. So it is proper noun. App. When we say app, app is a general name because there are so many apps. But in general we say app. It is given a common name. So it is common noun. When we say about Englistan, WhatsApp, Facebook, they are the particular name of an app. So they are proper noun. Like this, days and months also common noun. Because when we say days, days included all the days. It shows the same class of days. So it is common noun. But when we say the name of a particular day, it will be proper noun. And months, there are 12 months in a year. And when we say months, it shows all the class of months, all the kinds of months. So month is common noun. But when we say about January, February, when we say a particular name of a month, it will be proper noun. What is material noun? Material nouns are materials or substances from which we make anything. And such types of nouns are usually not used in plurals. We use them in singular form. For example, here copper, iron, gold, silver, tin, platinum, sugar, flour, cotton, wood, milk, bricks, etc. All these are materials from which we make anything. So it is material noun. Here this chain is made of gold. Here gold is material because from which chain is made of. So it is material noun. Next, flour and water. Flour and water are mixed to make bread. Here flour and water are material from which we make bread. So they are also material noun. Cotton. Cotton is also material noun which is used to make textile. I have a necklace made of platinum. Platinum is a material from which the necklace is made of. So platinum is material noun. We use milk and sugar to make tea. Here milk and sugar, they are materials and we make tea from milk and sugar. So they both are material noun. C is needing flour. Flour is also material noun. Iron is a material noun because it is a metal. The ring is made of gold. Gold is also a material noun because from gold the ring is made of and it is material noun. This chair is made of wood. Wood is a material and from which we make many things like chair, table, windows, doors, so many things. So wood is also material noun. Now collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective nouns are the name of people, animals or things taken together and spoken of as one whole. For example, crowd. When we show here crowd, it means there is not only one person, but it shows the group of persons. There are so many people which create a group to whom we say crowd. So it is collective noun. Bunch of flowers means there are so many flowers in a group. Team of players, so many players in a team. Flock of animals means there are so many animals in flock of sheep. Herd of cattle means there are so many cattle in a herd. Army of soldiers, jury of judges, family of persons, gang of robbers, parliament of members, committee of members. So they all are used as collective noun. Here are few examples of collective noun and children should learn them. A band of men, a cast of actors, a stack of librarians, a sentence of judges, a galaxy of beauties, a bevy of girls, a choir of singers, a hack of smokers. And for animals, colony of gulls, a brood of hens, a flight of birds, a flock of turkeys, a group of guinea pigs, a litter of cubs, a kennel of dogs, a sloth of bears. And for things, when things are together, are spoken of as one whole, we use like this: batch of cakes, bottle of milk, a bowl of rice, a box of cereal, a can of soda, a carton of milk, a cup of tea. And children should learn all these collective nouns. Now abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of quality, action, state or condition which only exist in our mind but we cannot see or touch them. They are abstract noun are classified in many categories. Here, emotion and feelings. When we have to show our emotions and feelings, we use the words like happiness, sorrow, joy. All these words shows our emotions and feelings. Goodness, kindness, whiteness, darkness, brightness, honesty, bravery. All these words shows our quality. What is our quality? And laughter, theft, movement, judgment, they are the words to show our action, which type of act we do. And last, the state. State or condition means in which state we are. In childhood, or boyhood, or youth, or slavery. All these words shows our state or condition, and they are abstract noun. I hope you all understood. I will meet you soon with my next video. Till then, bye.